Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to change your Gmail account password on PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here where you have your profile picture. Simply click on that. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to go to manage your Google account. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the sidebar right here and go to security section. And it's going to take you right here. What you need to do at this section here is simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to password. So it's going to take you right here. Choose a strong password and don't reuse it for another account. It's as simple as that. What you need to do is to come to the first column right here, enter your new password, then confirm your new password, then come down below right here, click on change. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your Gmail password without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.